So it's the start of the new year.
Yes.
Do you have anything in mind for personal improvement?
Actually, before starting recording, I just went through and tried to finalize our plan for 2026. And I realized that our plan was way too complex. So stepped out, zoomed out for clarity. And I was like, how can we get this as quick as possible, easily accessible?
Yeah.
We don't have to think. So right now, reflecting to 2025, what worked, what didn't, or what were my objectives, which are the things that I thought that is going to work out, which are not. Right now, I simplified it, but it's quite simple as this is what I want, this is what I will do. That's it.
It is a very common theme, I feel, this year, where because of the pace of everything in 2025, there was a instinct to want to go nuts in 2026, which is we're going to do all these things. So yes, I also went through a simplification process of my 2026 goals. And it's felt really good to do fewer things, but go deeper on them. So it's interesting that you had a common theme, which is in a world of Amazon marketing, Amazon growth, where there are so many things to do. I generally do see and meet people who are probably doing too many things, like an inch deep. There's very little benefit in, I hear that I need to do this thing and then do it, but do it at a 2 out of 10 level. And then do 100 of those activities at a 2 or 3 or 4 out of 10 quality instead of nailing down a really important list. So like prioritization is a really difficult skill, especially for so many sellers. Like you open up anything, you like type in like Amazon PPC or like Amazon SEO anywhere, and you're going to get so much information about this. And it's what should I be doing? What few things should I get really good at that will have the most leverage?
I think it's really important for us to specify the fact that it is completely normal and our world is designed to take our attention and focus. And this is something that it's not, I'm blaming myself for not being more patient with myself, for focusing on stuff and so on. It's just a realization that this is happening. This is normal. Now that you're aware of that, what is next that you're going to do? Because it was like, hey, Michael, how you're prioritizing things? What are the most important things for whenever you're managing brands? And then, hey, Noemi, how are you prioritizing things? And it's really interesting that our lists while the same topics, we prioritize them differently, again, based on the brands that we're managing and how we are doing things. If that is different, the idea is that we still are aware of that. This was chosen, I think, from 20 topics, like a list of 20 things that we consider a priority. And also, it's very normal to get overwhelmed. How can you prepare so you can really grow the skills and grow on Amazon this year? Because otherwise, it's just one, again, good episode to listen to, and it's going to stay there in the back shelf with lots of dust.
Incredibly well said. Incredibly well